Everyone says to work hard, but let's be real. Hard work alone won't make you rich. If hard work was the key, every construction worker would be a millionaire. What truly makes the difference is direction. Smart people don't just grind harder. They focus on the right things. They build systems, learn valuable skills, and treat their time like currency. You have 24 hours just like everyone else, but the rich spend theirs differently. They prioritize value over mere effort. Don't chase busy, chase results instead. Every hour wasted scrolling could have been a step toward your freedom. Start learning, start building, and let your work create wealth, even while you sleep. Follow Wealth Core Zone for more money truths and smart motivation.